I finally got some upgrades for my Sony A6400. Let's unbox the SmallRig cage and Rode mic go-to and put everything together. Alright, so I'm just gonna let the unboxing play out so that you can see what's in the box, because I don't really know what to say during this part anyways. But once we get to the assembly, I'll actually talk a bit more about it and go over my thoughts. So yeah, let's get into it. And feel free to skip ahead if you don't care about the unboxing. I won't be offended. Probably. Alright, we're back. Let's go ahead and get the cage installed on our camera. It's pretty straightforward and simple, unless of course you're like me and you completely miss the fact that there is a magnetic tool at the bottom of your cage. Not that I did that, obviously. But anyways, now that I know it's there, it was a lot more straightforward and simple to go ahead and get the cage installed and uninstalled. I do also really appreciate that SmallRig included that feature of the tool being magnetic in the bottom of the cage. It makes it really convenient to have it right there in any situation where you may want to remove the cage. Other than that, you still have access to your battery and SD card, all your input output, and everything functions how it normally would with the cage on. Alright, next is the mic. We got the Rode VideoMic Go-To. It slides right into the top of the cage in one of the shoes, and you just take the mic plug and plug it into the input on the camera. Just plug and play. No batteries, no settings. Perfect. And so here is going to be the final setup. SmallRig cage, Rode mic. It's looking pretty legit. Definitely feels a lot more solid, but I will have to test and see what kind of difference it makes to my content. If you want to see that tested in another video, let me know down below. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. But real quick, here's a before and after.